Hey guys, welcome back to Boating Brothers, and today I'm gonna show you my boat. It ain't fully done, but when it's done I'll show you it. And here's the boat. I have a 9.9 on it. As you can see, it says 9.9, and it's like ball or something. And it's a Myrocraft. And I bought this boat for $400. And I did upgrades. I cut that seat out, and there used to be a seat right here, but I cut it out because I didn't need it. Now it's really cool. And there's the remote and the wires I did today. And there's gonna be a side console right here. My boat's a mess. And we're gonna put a floor in it and a deck. I don't know how long the deck's gonna be or how tall the floor is gonna be from the actual one. It's a pull start and electric start. I'm gonna have a battery in right there. I drilled those holes so if it rains, I don't want the battery to flood. And here's these. Comment down below which one you think's positive. I think this one's positive because it has the red inside of it. And that's my little waterproof box. I keep my sunglasses in and my phone in. And when it's done, I'm gonna show you guys the final one. And I painted this too, so. And my flashlight. And there's the junk pile right there. There's wires all over. Here's my anchor deck. And here's the theme. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more boat videos. This is the third boating video on Boating Brothers channel. And I have my registration in here. This lid pops off. Here's my Kail switch. I put this on today. This ain't mounted yet. See? And there's my key. The fishing pole. Oh, and guys, if you're wondering how much gallons this can hold 6 gallons of gas. And there's my village pump in there. And it all leads out there. I drilled a hole through this, then siliconed it. See it right there. And my trailer. I'll show you my trailer. It's a mess down here. Here's the back of my boat. I'm gonna show you the sides instead of the trailer. And the other side's exactly that color it is. My seat. Sometimes my seats try to run away and fall on me, but they don't manage to. Sometimes I used to have a 6-horse on this, and when I was driving, it'd go like, ooh, and not. And there's a back. Here's the back. Oh, and guys, here's this. This is for sale. You can buy that on Facebook for $200. So if you want that, you can buy it on Facebook for $200. It's an aluminum boat transom. Just search up that, and then it'll pop. It shows this, and it'll pop up, and you can see, and it shows the length on there. So if you want to buy it, it's on Facebook. But so if you want it, it's for sale. And I have a title. It's a 2022. See? That's when it expires, 2022. Can't see anything in there. Okay, now the trailers. Here's the back lights. They work, but I might get new ones, and I'm gonna get boat lights, and at the end of this project you'll see it. And here's the trailer. You can imagine how hard it was getting the paint on the bottom. This boat is heavy. We had to get it off the trailer, turn it upside down, then paint it. And look, it's scratching off. So I might repaint it. So, and here's the bottom. The trailer is the suspension. So this is the longest video I've ever made on this channel. And here's the boat winch. It works. When I have it down where I don't leave it for where I store it, I take this off. And I repainted those, but I can't find my black spray paint to do the other side. And I got a pin. And this I painted it good. It works. And it's a mess down here. Hey, the paint's scratching off. But I might repaint this trailer because look, rust. And up here is rust. And I have no idea why I painted it this color. Guys, if you have a boat, then comment down below. I have a boat. And here's the boat. You know what's hard about this boat of cleaning it? Is getting the water out. See? Rivets. Ribs, I mean. Water gets caught in these and you have to get... And we took out the plug. It's still there. And you guys want to see the inside of the motor? Because I bet you do. It's pretty clean in the motor, guys. And this is how you take them off. You switch that lever. And I got it. See, that's the inside of the motor. It looks brand new. We bought this used for $400. And this is brand new. This lower unit's brand spanking new. And this goes like a chain. And I zip tied those. And these are for you tie it onto you, and then once you fall out, it activates this kill switch. You guys can't see in there, but I'm gonna clean up the boat when I'm done with this video. And we're gonna go to Menards to get supplies. These are gonna go on here, but we can't do it yet. You guys know why that's in there? Because we did 24 hours in the boat challenge, and we both went inside the coast. Oh, guys, and you know what this is? This is a transom saver. It goes on your motors to save the transom. So, here's my paddle. Here's these. I put them right there. This one's supposed to go over here. We did not drill these holes. It came like this. I bought this boat used. We bought that motor used too. So, hope you guys enjoyed. See ya later. This will take a long time to upload.